Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G and let me show you how to manage camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with settings at the last position, so let's open them. And here we have to pick composition. Now we get access to grids and guides settings. We can add them to photo or video. Let me start with photo. As you can see, now we are on none. We can pick also grid, diagonal lines and golden spiral. So let me start with grid. When we move back to the preview, now we have these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Another tab to right corner settings, to composition, and let's pick here now diagonal lines, so we get access to different grid lines. They are also useful when we want to making experiments with composition at our picture. And let me show you also the last one possible here, so golden spiral. And now we get this type of view in preview. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real photo, so let me take a picture to show you. And now let's tap to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. We don't have any grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them or need another view, we have to move back to right settings, to composition, and pick whatever we need or just turn them off. Let me show you also that in video we get access only to standard grid. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.